Hey, you got to come over here.
Why?
Because you have to tell them what you've got to tell them what you've done to your Jeep.
Not my job.
So for very first thing that we done on the Jeep upgrade is we installed these grab handles. They're made by Wild Boar. We put them in the front and in the rear. We definitely picked red just because of the Jeep's firecracker red. We also bought these red accents to go along with the Jeep. I think it looks pretty good in there. They don't stick very well, so we might have to make some changes there. We have added the S-Pod, which is what you'll see here. You guys, if you're Jeep lovers, you're probably all familiar with the S-Pod. Your turn.
Nope.
Another thing that she has added are these, what are these, 2-inch cube lights? Yeah. LEDs by Rough Country. They're wired up to the S-Pod. They, you know, a lot of lights have the chrome background. We got these in black. They offer these in the black background, so we've added those. We did change out because I was watching another channel, by the way. You should watch him if you're not. It's called Jeep TV. I think it's Jeep_TV. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description, but he put one of these antennas on. I've heard mixed reviews about whether they pick up radio stations or not very well, and so far so good with ours. We're very happy with it, but we added the little stubby antenna.
What is our lift? Is it AEV?
AEV, 2.5.
Yeah.
Good call, babe. You going over it?
Are you going to look underneath the thing at the springs and stuff?
Cut. We added the 2.5-inch AEV lift kit. It is the dual sport, and I'll be honest, and I think my wife agrees, we can't really tell a big difference in the driving.
Better or worse, you mean?
Yeah.
No, I can just tell I'm setting up higher.
As far as the suspension goes, we can tell that we're setting up higher, but as far as the driving goes, which is probably a good thing, we're not called the rookies for nothing. Maybe it's just because we're not very experienced with some lifts. Maybe it is a really good thing that we can't tell a difference, but as far as driving compared to stock, it pretty much feels the same, right?
Right.
It's definitely not worse. It feels really good.
So we added the bull bar made by Hard Rock, and then across the top the Rough Country 20-inch light bar. And I've got the cover on it right now, but it's got the black background. It matches the window lights up there. And this is all plugged into the S-Pod along with the square lights. And then the Warn, it's a 8,000 pound winch with the synthetic cable. We did the synthetic cable instead of the steel rope.
Yep. I think it's called the 8S.
Yeah, it's an 8S, but it's got 80 feet of synthetic cable attached to it as well. And then right now our current debate is whether to take the end caps off of the steel bumper. So this is stock on the Recon, or the Rubicon Recon edition, but you can remove the end caps with just a couple of bolts. So that's our current source of contention.
Yeah, I want them off. She doesn't know yet.
I kind of like them on.
Can you back up for just a second? So yeah, I think that end cap and that end cap should come off.
We'll see.
I think it'd look good.
They are pretty dirty right now.
Have you settled for a name yet?
No.
No?
No. We're not that close yet. It's still new.
But that is the updates on our Jeep so far, right?
You can show your Joby suction cup.
Oh yeah. For anybody that's looking for a way to mount their cameras, we found these Joby suction cups.
Okay. Is it called a gorilla arm?
There's another one right there. We got 2 different styles. They're called the gorilla arms.
Yeah, well, I think that one's a gorilla arm that flexes, and then that's a rigid, like a locked arm.
How much were they? Like 20 bucks a piece?
That one was 20, and then the locking one was 25. Excuse me.
Alright guys, that is our Jeep video on all the upgrades that we've done so far. Hope you enjoyed it. If you've yet to subscribe to either channel, I have 2. One is Recon Rookies, the other one is When Pigs Fly. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, to wrap this video up, thought I'd show you a demonstration of the lights that we added. So this is my stock lights. That's just the headlights. I'm not sure how much justice this is going to do. Turn those back off. This is the front bumper light. It really brightens it up. And this is the windshield cube lights. And this is all three. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.